exciting.
Isn't it fun?
That was a 61. Holy beat my time first thing in the morning on a mostly dry track. God.
This is so awesome.
That was badass.
Yeah, I don't know where I picked up 2 seconds at, but I was consistently getting 61.
Yeah. I have no idea.
And then that badass Colin McRae drift at the end was, that was the money right there.
Oh, absolutely.
Pointed right at the finish line.
You put that corner in a pinch pot, made it your bitch.
That's exactly what I did. It was like, hey, what I do? Nothing.
Yeah. Real nice. I got it at Walmart. Fuck that corner. That was awesome.
That felt so good.
God, dude.
Maybe we could...
All right. Well, the sun isn't out yet, but I've got my helmet, and we're headed into town, and that means it's race day. So, as you guys can tell from the title of this video, what I'm doing today is a little out of my comfort zone. I'm going to be racing a boosted all-wheel drive, you know, it's like a ghetto rally car. It's like it's not a Corvette, that's for damn sure. So yeah, this will be really, really interesting because this thing is punchy and yeah, it likes to rotate. So we'll see. It should be a really good test for my driving, and it should be just overall a really good learning experience for how different cars actually handle, and you have to manipulate the body weight and everything. So I'm gonna get to the track because there's coffee there, and I will catch you guys there. Hello. We made it to the track just in time to sit in the Subaru, the warm Subaru, listening to a Sasquatch podcast, just waiting to stand outside in the rain for a little while with coffee. Iced coffee. This is the most Washingtonian thing I think I've ever done in my entire life. And I've been backpacking wearing like flannel.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. So that's what's happening in this neck of the woods, literally. So, sorry, I can't believe this is actually happening. So the track today is left over from the Porsche Club?
Yeah, just slightly modified. So it should be a pretty fast day, which is good for us because it's a straight line car. We have a power car.
Right. We are in the blue RS. It's been on the channel before. If you guys are unfamiliar with the RS, you can go watch the other videos. We worked on this quite a bit to get it ready for track. And today we're going to dual drive it. So you have been daily driving this and thrashing this thing periodically, though. So
very much so, yeah.
So we'll
She's
see.
Not stranger to getting sideways. It doesn't drive like a Subaru. It drives like a 240 SX.
I have seen this thing sideways, I think, more than seeing it straight on the track. So
I did jump it last event. I got all 4 tires off the ground because the stop box was just a little too short. And yeah,
the stop box, so which is after a turnaround.
Now they call me the Airborne Avenger.
Oh wow!
I'm just kidding.
Nice. Well,
it'd be sweet if they did. Wait, you could call me Maverick. Today, you can call me Maverick.
Right.
Yeah.
Well, doesn't Goose die?
Goose does die. But you kind of look like Goose.
But not after like a 6 sexy volleyball match, right?
Yeah.
I'm fine with that, then.
Have you watched Future Man?
No.
They completely remake that beach volleyball scene, but then they end up eating a pug, a dog.
So that's how today's gonna go. Man,
it was good.
We're gonna start out by racing, and eventually we're gonna eat a fucking pug. That's our plan for the day.
Yeah.
Yeah. Starting from the back.
Yes, ass end of the pug first. You never want to eat the face of those things. They got skin issues
No.
and psoriasis.
And honestly, it'll just ruin your
yeah,
appetite.
it's like licking a snake.
If
you
you
know,
look
just
him,
kinda
if you look
scaly
him right in the face, you're not hungry.
yeah, you know.
You're not.
No, you're not.
Now,
You
if
at
I
those
look
things
at a
and
dog's
breathing
ass,
heavy and snarling.
okay, Jesus.
Hey,
Anyways,
you brought this upon yourself,
I did
sir.
apparently. So that's what we're doing.
Who would slow roast a dog's asshole?
I'm sitting here thinking. All right. Okay, we'll get back to you guys when we're actually doing some driving.
Wow,
Some forceful driving.
That went on a tangent.
Yes, it did.
Very quickly. It got out of control.
I'm running on about 4.5 hours of sleep. What about you?
I got about 2. So, you know.
2 for him is pretty much 5 for me.
Yeah.
Yeah. He's good at running on
Golden.
low sleep like that, but
Yeah, you just, you know.
corgi butt.
Yeah.
Okay,
Stinky Linky.
okay, we'll be back. Yeah, the weather's awful though, but you'll see that. Oh my god, dude. Fuck you, dude. Have my seatbelt on.
Premature. Zach, your mask is all sweaty. Yeah. That's all right.
He said nice.
Probably humidity condensation. Great stuff.
Game on, run one.
If it stays like this, it's shitty, it's cold, but it's not like wet. We call that strategery. Somebody have a machine gun out there?
I think
Ooh, no, I'm lightheaded. Shouldn't have done that.
Right. It's cold, I'm getting really warm really fast.
Oh no! Way too far.
Oh my god.
It's super rewarding though. When you get this car right and driving like to its potential and you're like, fuck, that was a great lap. Like it's very rewarding.
Dude.
Start braking like now. Just so you can brake in a straight line. Otherwise it'll come around right here. It'll come around right here. Brake now. That's where if you were left in braking, you can feed in brakes there at the end and it wouldn't come around. Right now, brake, brake, brake.
Come on.
Go around that cone.
Shit, dude.
Yeah.
Holy hell.
I was a 71.
Yeah.
And you spun. I mean, that's.
You know what makes me sad though? I'm wearing my Ayrton Senna shirt today and I feel like I'm disgracing it.
That's okay.
I think I broke a rib.
See if we can get a rally to turn around over there too. Maybe a little bit harder. Oh shit! Oh my god, there's no traction on this end of the track. Oh, fuck, still there.
Jesus Christ. God, Jesus, dude. Holy shit.
Yeah, people might be mad at me for that one.
63, pretty good.
That's fucking shit.
Not too shabby. You definitely have a cone. I got it. You only got two back with you, so yes, that's not too bad.
There's two? Okay. I'll hang out.
So stuck. That's funny.
I can smell it burning.
Yeah, you had three of them.
Yeah.
Jack it up. Oh, that guy's jacking it up.
Hey, you dented your oil filter, by the way. Yeah. It's a dope. It's like understeering like crazy. Oh, there's no traction out here right now. Like none. Like I've driven in shit conditions before. This is like
Among the worst.
yeah, and then driving a car like this.
Yeah, you're not familiar with
Dude,
it?
on a dry day, I bet this thing would be just stupid fun.
It makes some pretty glorious noises.
Yeah. It's hit 21 pounds today. Come on. Don't understeer for me. A little less understeer would be cool.
That one doesn't help.
Come on. Hey, I didn't spin.
That was pretty clean.
Hell yeah. Oh. Yeah, that's bullshit. There's something.
Something clunky, like it's click catchy.
Dude, yeah. I don't know. Something's up with the steering. 64, 35. I'm okay with that. That's
pretty
only
good.
5 seconds faster than my dry
Spin
time.
out.
Holy shit.
Sounds like right now. Finishes up with a 73.531, 73.531. 2 rep for Henry. Three moves for him. That puts him in.
So like, oh, you want brakes? You better give it more leg strength. You haven't been doing your calf lifts. Brakes! And then it locks them up. Not really, but it brakes really hard once you get the pressure there.
Yeah.
Because it's all manual, everything.
Yes. All manual.
And, yeah, all day.
Track?
Yeah.
Good day at the track.
Successful.
Successful.
Any day at the track is a good day at the track.
Any day at the track is better than no day at the track. As I should be partaking in every time I get the opportunity. But yeah. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And we will catch you in the next video. That was a hat backwards kind of move.
What?
Ash, catch him over here.
Great day for hay.
Fucking great day for hay.
Oh fuck, I got no brakes.
Hey, that was pretty dialed.
Sometimes I've got no fucking brakes. See how the car is like, I'm always kind of in rotation.
Right, yeah. The throttle steer is very impressive. Yeah! Yeah! That was exciting.
Isn't it fun?
That was a 61. Holy shit. That was intense, dude.
I want to see what Cole Scott's doing.
Oh my gosh. That was badass.
Just that long, drifty, like,
Yeah.
whop, whop.
All the way to limiter and second. Rad.
Just banging limiter.